province is rich in tourism potential ranging from cultural customs, natural tourism, religion, to historical sites of human civilization. One of the tourism potential unlocked by Mona Regency in the Liang Kaburi cave, which is one of the tourist attractions that stores the remains of prehistoric sites. This site is quite famous because it stores relics of ornaments in the form of paintings and on cave walls made by prehistoric humans 4,000 years ago. My location is famous in Liang Kaburi village.